Horizon Trailblazer 4x4 luxury camper, a futuristic home on wheels designed to conquer mountains, forests, deserts, and even snowy landscapes in absolute comfort. Imagine waking up on a snow-covered mountain peak, opening your camper window, and watching the sunrise while enjoying a hot coffee inside a luxury apartment on wheels. That's exactly the experience the all-new 2027 Honda Horizon Trailblazer promises to deliver. With an estimated price between $135,000 and $170,000. This futuristic 4x4 camper combines Honda reliability with premium luxury and extreme adventure capability. At first glance, the aggressive front design immediately grabs attention. The massive Honda grille, sharp LED headlights, muscular wheel arches, and futuristic white body create a bold and modern appearance. This camper looks rugged enough for remote adventures while remaining elegant enough to park at luxury resorts. Moving around the exterior, one of the biggest highlights is the full-length rooftop solar system. High-efficiency solar panels continuously generate electricity throughout the day, helping power interior lighting, appliances, entertainment systems, air conditioning support functions, and charging stations. This means longer off-grid adventures without constantly relying on external power sources. The Horizon Trailblazer rides on massive all-terrain 4x4 tires designed for challenging conditions. Whether you're driving through muddy forest trails, rocky mountain roads, desert terrain, or heavy snowfall, these tires provide excellent traction and confidence. Increased ground clearance and reinforced suspension help the camper tackle obstacles that ordinary motorhomes would avoid. Under the hood, the Horizon Trailblazer is expected to feature a powerful 3.5-liter V6 turbocharged engine producing around 320 horsepower and approximately 380 lb-ft of torque, paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system and a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission. The camper delivers strong acceleration and reliable climbing power even when fully loaded with passengers and gear. Performance on snowy roads is particularly impressive. Honda's intelligent traction management system constantly adjusts power distribution between the wheels, helping maintain grip on slippery surfaces. Whether you're heading toward a ski resort or exploring remote winter landscapes, the Trailblazer remains stable and composed. Step inside and the futuristic design truly shines. The driver cockpit feels more like a luxury SUV than a traditional camper. A large digital instrument cluster, premium leather seats, multifunction steering wheel, wireless smartphone connectivity, navigation system, and multiple camera views create a high-tech driving experience. The visibility from the driver's seat is excellent thanks to the large panoramic windshield. Drivers can enjoy breathtaking views of mountains, forests, lakes, and coastlines while maintaining confidence on narrow roads and challenging trails. Behind the cockpit, the luxury living area feels like a compact modern apartment. Large windows fill the cabin with natural light, making the interior feel spacious and welcoming. Premium materials, ambient LED lighting, soft-touch surfaces, and elegant finishes create a sophisticated atmosphere. The dining area features a stylish table surrounded by comfortable seating. This space can be used for meals, remote work, family games, or simply relaxing after a long day of adventure. The flexible layout maximizes comfort without sacrificing practicality. One of the standout features is the fully equipped mini kitchen. Despite its compact footprint, it includes an induction cooktop, microwave oven, refrigerator, storage cabinets, sink, water filtration system, and generous counter space. Whether you're preparing breakfast before a hiking trip or cooking dinner beside a snowy mountain, the kitchen provides everything needed for life on the road. Moving toward the rear, you'll find a futuristic luxury bathroom. The mini toilet and premium shower area are thoughtfully designed to maximize space while maintaining comfort. Modern fixtures, efficient water management systems, elegant lighting, and easy-to-clean surfaces make daily routines surprisingly enjoyable. Above the main cabin sits the luxurious top sleeping area. This elevated bed provides excellent privacy and comfort while offering beautiful panoramic views through surrounding windows. Imagine falling asleep beneath the stars and waking up to breathtaking mountain scenery right outside your bed. Additional sleeping accommodations allow families and travel companions to join the adventure comfortably. Smart storage compartments are integrated throughout the camper, ensuring plenty of room for clothing, outdoor equipment, supplies, and personal belongings. Climate control is another major advantage. Advanced heating systems keep the cabin warm during winter adventures, while powerful cooling systems provide comfort in hot desert environments. Combined with insulation technology, the camper remains comfortable in almost any weather condition. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, collision mitigation braking, blind spot monitoring, parking sensors, multiple airbags, and a 360-degree camera system. These technologies help reduce driver fatigue and improve confidence during long-distance travel. For adventure enthusiasts, the Horizon Trailblazer is built to explore places many luxury motorhomes cannot reach. Remote campsites, snowy mountain roads, hidden lakes, forest trails, and scenic wilderness locations become easily accessible thanks to its capable 4x4 platform and rugged engineering. What truly sets this camper apart is its balance between luxury and practicality. It combines the comfort of a premium apartment, the capability of an off-road vehicle, and the freedom of a fully self-contained home on wheels. The 2027 Honda Horizon Trailblazer isn't just a camper, it's a futuristic lifestyle machine designed for travelers who want adventure without sacrificing comfort. With its aggressive design, powerful engine, rooftop solar system, luxury interior, premium shower, mini kitchen, top sleeping area, advanced technology, snow road capability, and Honda reliability, this remarkable 4x4 camper could become one of the most exciting luxury motorhomes of 2027. So, would you take the Honda Horizon Trailblazer into snowy mountains, deep forests, or across the open desert? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Autohome Future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more futuristic campers, luxury motorhomes, and next-generation adventure vehicles. We'll see you in the next video.